CloudFest 2025 took things to a whole new level. Rust became once again the epicenter of the cloud and hosting ecosystem. This year we saw record-breaking attendance, new innovations and unforgettable experiences. With over 12,000 registrations, nearly 200 sessions and non-stop action, CloudFest 2025 was bigger and bolder than ever.
What surprised me is that it's so open. You know, you're open to do business. CloudFest is not like any other event that I ever went to at the time. Everybody is prepared to talk about business.
We have a lot of our partners here, so it's a great touch point from an industry perspective. So it's really a place to be if you want to remain relevant. So for us, it's a great show.
I think CloudFest is an event that you can find work and life balance pretty well. On the day, we're being able to speak with many different kind of experts, and in the night, we're just having fun together, which is really amazing.
Great networking event, like-minded people to learn about the new technologies, and I think if they don't do it, they kind of fall back a little bit.
CloudFest is crazy. I mean, when I first came here, I didn't realize how big it was going to be.
CloudFest is the best, the biggest event for us as HPE to reach and understand the cloud market.
The exhibitors area looks like a mini CES, and I was just shocked at how huge it was. The band that played last night was absolutely killer. They were freaking awesome. That drummer was doing God's work.
The good thing is, work hard, play hard. We do good business here, but if we want to, we can also do good partying here. One of a kind, we love it.
Most surprising part, we're talking AI now. We're not talking about containers or infrastructure. It is about how can we make AI work for people. And everybody say, we're doing AI.
We're big sponsors there. We had a lot of fun there. A lot of great products that we have that we're rolling out for everybody.
Well, you've already done a great job at that.
I'm actually looking forward to a point in time where people can just interface with their content management system through chat fully as much as they want to make things simpler, and it brings the technological barrier down for everyone, which I think is really exciting.
You know, this year we're seeing a lot from like the WordPress community.
Yeah, our favorite part is really to engage with the community, with our customers and partners, to discuss new innovative projects with them.
I think the number of sessions, depth of the sessions based on what the main topics are, I think that's like the biggest takeaway. It's much deeper than I expected it to be.
I was most surprised to see how many more people have been putting AI to work in their companies. We saw a doubling of how many people feel confident, and we saw a drop by half then of people who feel concerned about AI.
I really like how the theme park and the conference are like melded together. So we see people walking around the theme park looking at cool like storefronts or whatever while talking about CloudFest.
In terms of business, like it's just a really good opportunity to meet loads of new people, and everyone's been so friendly, so it's been really good.
It definitely gives us more exposure to our clients and, you know, connect on a different level.
There's a lot of energy around hosting and a lot of energy around new ideas and new concepts.
So coming here and feeling the vibe and the attitude and the fun, it's really just been a fantastic event.
Meeting people, networking a little bit, and potential new partners, potential initiatives that grow from here. So it's good to be here.
Oh, we will be back next year. And because, like I said, it is the #1 cloud hosting event in the world, and we wouldn't miss it.
It's about long-term relationships that develop over time, increasing touch points, and CloudFest is the ideal place to do it.
Being on the cloud industry and not being at CloudFest is something that you cannot afford.
The one advice that I would give is get a ticket and show up.
A big thank you to all of our partners, speakers, and you, the attendees, for making CloudFest 2025 such a great success. We are already looking forward to the next year, 23rd to 26th of March 2026, here at the Europa-Park.